5.18.
It's a fucking beautiful day out. I'm gonna spend it tearing apart my car, and I hope it, goes smoothly. Because if it doesn't, I'm not gonna have a car for a couple of days, and that's gonna really suck. But we're gonna send it, because what else do you do on a Saturday? All right, we're in progress. Sean, how you doing down there?
I'm gonna flathead.
You need a flathead? All right. All the fun stuff's happening now. And my boy Shawn, he getting mad already.
God, Josh, it would be a little more help than this now.
A little status update.
I'd be out here doing
a little bit. I got this disconnected, and Shawn, he did all this in the meantime. All gone. Shawn, how you doing?
Fantastic.
Nice.
Couldn't be better.
Hell yeah. That's what we like to hear. We just turn the ratchet like this. And then we do everything we can not to take apart the steer. Fortunately, this steering has to get out of the way, and I don't know how to do that, so
No, the
might
stud. So like it was that, but
have to
That's what I meant. Like
convince the other two to help with that, because I don't want to fuck it up.
that really scared me. I thought I was gonna throw it.
So
get off the phone and get
there's
to work.
that.
Well, the ones I can't reach. What do I just take out the motor mounts and pick it up?
I appreciate you.
I had faith in you, and then you let me down.
I told you not to put too much faith in me. Actually, I didn't even warn you. My color by numbers going down there?
I don't need it.
Oh. Okay. This stupid fucking cocksucker. What an awful place. I can't even get them fucking socket seated. God damn. Big difference. Huge difference.
Your motor mounts.
Oh. Would you like me to go under there with you?
How are you gonna help?
I don't know. You're a smart guy.
If I was any happier, I'd be fucking dead.
Well. Have I told you I love you?
Sean, what do you want to drink?
I don't care. Water, tea, just not fucking soda.
Have you ever had boba tea? No? It's pretty good.
I've never had it.
With the tapioca pearls in it? I mean, you can get different things. It doesn't have to be tapioca pearls. You can get like
Conversation is so exhilarating.
you can get like topping bobas that have like flavors in it, like kiwi, strawberry. But it's kind of a choking hazard if you're not paying attention. You're just slurping the drink down, and all these little balls just fucking hit the back of your throat.
You want a Gatorade?
This fits so good.
Oh, hello.
I need a fucking bolt with a washer the right way.
Okay.
This one right here?
No, the next one.
Well, that one's got to come out too, don't it?
Well, no. Yeah.
Yeah, because the gasket goes through it. This sucks.
Oh, I hear it.
I'm not doing the bathroom. This is why. This is why it's not done.
Good enough. Let it run.
Oh, I can't wait to figure out how to tighten this.
Got a wrench.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
So, just one.
Just one.
Don't put too many in my hand.
Where did all the fucking bolts I brought down here? Oh, man.
You're laying on them.
Found them.
What the fuck you doing that for? You at least got the one started?
Right into something.
Between the runner and the engine. I moved it.
Why'd you move it?
Yeah, I moved it. Hee. Let me crush my hand. Ha ha ha.
Sean's a silly little parakeet. There's a new recruit. How you making out?
Where's my
Horrible.
fucking O2 sensor?
I gave it to you already.
Where's the socket?
I gave that to you as well.
Stupid fucking springs in my way. Can't see.
Don't break a nail.
Fuck off.
You were waving at me.
Oh, I think that was a good time to be taking videos.
I think it's fine. How pretty her nails are in the engine bay.
Zach, shut the fuck up. I can't. Eh.
Well, we're on the final stretch.
Yeah, where the fuck's the clamp I need? Oh, it's right there. Right next to it.
What do you need?
First clamp on that? Yeah, I need that.
Okay. Really? Well, fellas, we're almost done. You like that custom
Probably
zip
not.
tie work? Hell yeah.
It's a fun little decorative item.
She's on there. She's probably gonna rattle more than ever,
Go down there.
or not rattle. Who you calling crazy?
You, bro.
No, I'm dumb. Not crazy. Run into a slight problem.
If this is the same size as this,
Don't have enough
I was
pipe.
going to expand this, but it only goes to like 2.
Not enough pipe. Time to think.
Power stage right there.
That's a don't bother dad.
Is anybody gonna give me a 15 or a pound ratchet, or are you gonna take videos with my butt?
So you gotta take videos of your butt, bro.
Ow.
You need me to come down there?
No, you want to get a piece of exhaust set up and ready?
Oh, yeah.
There we go. We're almost done. What a pain. Sean, did you have fun today?
No.
Why?
That's nice.
Josh, did you have fun today? He's not over here, is he? Well, we'll see what happens.
Cold steel on the dash, the engine hums, a heavy guy